Here's my new trick.
Hi, sweet girl. Look at our disgusting carpet. Hi. Let's see you roll. Look at her like, huh. Come on. Go on. Go on. There we go.
Remember this arm. There you go. Yep, you can do it.
You're sick of performing? Well, let's see. There you go. Come on. You gotta take a break halfway through. Come on, sweet girl. Get that leg over. Lola, go on. Is this in a bad position? Oh, this. Come on. Come on, this is taking already a minute and a half.
Kick.
Oh, almost. Come on. Oh, now you're coming back. There we go.
Just to get the momentum.
Good job, sweet girl.
That's my new trick today.
Did you turn? 4.5 months old and you're turning. Oh, you coming back? Yeah.